Hello, today we're going to go over the revolve command. So let's get our OnShape open and let's go to create, new document. All right, we will start on the top plane right here. So let's hide our front and right. So we can go over here and click on front and right, click on a little eyeball. All right, and now we have the top. We can go make this normal to the screen. Click there. All right, so now we want to create a sketch on the top. Click on the orange. There we go. We create a sketch one, and this is our sketch one dialog box. So let's create a shape which we want to revolve. So let's create, a line, and let's go down. You can see this line didn't connect to there. We can fix that in a second. And then let's just make some oddball shape. Here we are. Okay, and now I want to make it coincident. So this coincident with this. There we are. All right, and if we want to dimension this, we can add a few dimensions. Let's go finish this sketch. And now we can click on our revolve. Click on our faces and sketches, the regions to revolve. So this guy right here, revolve axis. Now I'm going to use my right mouse button going to choose this line as our axis to revolve about. And let's say okay. And now we just created our first revolve. So if we want to go in there and modify this, we can go into our sketch and we see our sketch here. So maybe we wanted to modify this sketch a little bit. And I can go double click on that sketch, get in here, and I could do some, things and manipulate this a little bit. And let's finish that and see what it does. See, there's our new revolve shape, and that's how you use revolve. Thanks for watching.